What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to discover our PHP and other important system info about our server only with WordPress access. Okay, so we have no need to go to server to discover this info. WordPress lets you know about it. Okay, it's about your website security, because sometimes your site may block, some plugin may not install, some themes may break your site. It's because maybe PHP version or other things like this. So it's very important to know system info about your site. Okay, MySQL, PHP, WordPress versions, upload max file sizes, and other important info that is really essential for your website maintenance. Okay, so how to do this? Before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. Okay, you have no idea how much it helps us. So let's get this started. First thing to do, there is two ways, okay, to learn how to do this. The very simple one will work for you independently of any theme, any plugin, any version of the WordPress that you are. Okay, so all you have to do is go to WordPress dashboard. Normally is yourdomain.com, yourdomain.net plus wp-admin. Okay, after this, review the left sidebar of menus and scroll down, and next to users you're going to be able to find the tools option. Hover mouse over it and click on site health. Okay, right here your WordPress gonna gives you some important tips about things to do on your site, but the important part for us right here is the info tab. Okay, now you can see a lot of information about WordPress, about directories, about your active theme, about our inactive theme, active plugins, inactive plugins, media, and server. And right here we can see the server architecture, the web server, and the PHP version, in my case 8.3.7, and here is the support of 64-bit values. Okay, another important thing to do, database. Right here you can see the extension. You have MySQL and the current version of the client MySQL. Okay, in addition, in the case that you are using WordPress WooCommerce WordPress plugin, okay, the store maker WordPress, you can hover a mouse from the left sidebar of menus on your WordPress dashboard, hover a mouse over WooCommerce and click on status. Okay, and right here you can see the important information as well: WordPress version, core options, server info, PHP version, MySQL, and other very important things about your site. Okay, including max upload file sizes and other versions. Okay, and here is all the information. So if something breaks on your site and you need to report about your site to the theme developer, to the plugin developer, to your server, get the information from this section. Okay, and it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our Visual Modo borderless plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Elementor or Gutenberg. Or Enzo WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme you can install to customize your site in the way that you want. Or Growth.net platform, a place where you can submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts. Or Sites.gallery, that is a CSS gallery where you can promote your site, your app, your landing page, your game design. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium while doing your site, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire templates library, with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition, for premium blocks, assets, tools, templates, plugins, and many more things to create the site of our dreams. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!